美國股市上個禮拜跌得非常之厲害，但係呢個禮拜我都會繼續想買佢落去。Stay tuned to find out why。大家好，我係阿 Jake。每一個禮拜我哋都會 analyze 全個 market， 由美國股市到匯率，然後 cryptocurrency。如果你覺得呢啲 topic 係你嘅興趣，我誠意邀請你 subscribe 翻到我哋嘅 channel， 同埋 make sure you hit 翻個 bell icon， 咁樣你就會俾 notify 啦。Thank you very much。
好啦，我哋開始睇咗個 US stock market 先。就睇 SPY 啦 ，SPY 係呢個ETF of S&P 500嘅。我攞翻支筆出嚟先。好啦 ，SPY S&P 500 ETF 咁有兩個 indicator 我都可以睇嘅，咁我再話翻俾大家聽。第一個 accumulation distribution， 第二個 advanced decline line， 第三個叫做 pivot point standard， 我今日都會放埋落去。OK，advanced decline line、pivot point 我轉頭先放，我驚亂得滯俾你哋。OK， 下低黃線係 accumulation distribution， 係 measure 佢個買嘅量數 volume，buying or selling volume。OK， 呢個 advanced decline line 係 measure S&P 500標普500入邊500隻股票。OK， 先講個量數，你可以睇得到 price 一直跌落嚟，呢度只係橫行啫咩？而且星期五仲 pop 咗上去，即係繼續買嘅量數係高 ，very underlining 係 healthy bullish 係牛市嘅。另外一個 advanced decline line 你都可以睇到啦，其實當 price action 跌落嚟嘅時候，佢都係橫行，而星期五都係彈咗上去，所以係 healthy。OK， 第三個 indicator 其實我唔係成日都放喺度嘅，因為我驚有時會有啲亂。pivot point，OK，pivot point 係乜嘢嚟嘅咧？等我將佢放好啲先。number 5一個 OK，actually 我哋放10個啦。咁 pivot point 咧係一個 another layer of support resistance。OK，S2 呢個位置而家喺565呢個位置 ，S2 咧係最強嘅 support， 而 pivot point 個 calculation 係呢個係 monthly 啦，即係月嘅 pivot point， 月份嘅 pivot point， 佢係由open price 即係開市嗰個價同埋最高最低點而 calculate 出嚟嘅價錢。OK， 咁 S2 呢個位咧，你可以見到係好少去。咁嗱，呢度有一次係去到 S2 啦，近呢S2 係 actually 喺呢度添。咁 S2 喺呢度，佢都未好少去到 S2 呢個咁嘅位置嘅。OK， 咁而家去到 S2 係好少會 break through， 所以我係 expect 呢個位係會有 support 去彈翻上去。咁彈到幾多咧？咁我就會再深入啲講，我覺得佢會彈到幾多嘅。咁其實除咗 price action 之外，我有另外一個website， 我朋友 website 叫做 marketmakeclear.com， 你可以睇得到呢度。咁我哋可以揾到好多特別嘅 data 啦。咁我想睇翻 S&P 500， 而且呢個係季後性圖，佢而且會講俾你知個 correlation 個聯繫性最強係 post election。OK， 咁我哋 focus 喺 post election。Alright，post election 即係選舉之後嗰一年。咁選舉之後嗰一年，你可以睇得到2月份佢講 purple line 係之前 history 之前嘅歷史，多數月份都係跌。咁實質嘅情況，2月份我哋真係跌咗落嚟。但係3月份咧，佢係會彈上去，去到3月中再跌一跌，然後個 real move 就去到 end of the year 都係會繼續升上去嘅。所以我覺得based on price action S&P 呢個 chart。Based on price action， 我覺得好有機會嗱。咁我哋去翻 IG 我 trade 嗰個地方俾你睇下。我覺得我 plan 咧係應該係咁嘅。咁 daily 我都講咗啦，佢係 low test 喺 S2 area。咁我覺得佢升翻上去 bounce 嘅機會係好強嘅。但係去到大約6000度咧，我覺得佢 range 翻跌翻落嚟呢度 ，make a higher low and then eventually go up. So my plan is short term go to 買去升到上去6000點之後，我係唔會沽嘅，我係會等佢呢個位置先至上去，因為我好少沽股票嘅，真係啊。咁點樣入咧？Monday、Tuesday 好緊要啊！我係會睇定啲佢嗰個走勢會唔會喺度 make 一個 higher low？ 咁呢個就 head and shoulder pattern 啦 ，inverted head and shoulder pattern breakout retest maybe not I don't think stock 係好少 retest 嘅，佢 break 好似度咁樣 break 落嚟就 break 落去啦。OK， so look for clean break stop loss somewhere here target 呢度6000可能會留少少，等佢可能會 trade 上去，不過6000係 first target。但係你要用晒所有嘢個連貫性 into advantage， 就係首先我要睇 Nasdaq 都要 break above 一齊升上去 break above here 20200點升上去，退翻到 pivot point 呢個位置 ，Dow Jones 都係一樣，你可以睇得到。不過 Dow Jones 我覺得有機會升高少少嘅，可能去到呢個位44000咁咯。總之大概喺呢個位置就要 take profit。不過首先第一樣嘢要 clear 呢個 resistance line 43000度啦。咁3個點數都一齊 break 上去，就會令到你贏嘅機會率大好多啦。OK，so this is my plan on the stock market。如果你有咩問題，可以留言俾我。未 subscribe 嘅朋友記住 subscribe 翻，因為除咗 stock market 之外，我仲會 cover 呢個匯率同埋 cryptocurrency 嘅。OK，thank you so much for watching and see you guys next week.